Hi, this is Corey Egan with Skydeck USA, and today we're going to talk about how to build a wood deck frame on top of SkyJack pedestals. Products that you may need include our stackable rubber pedestals, adjustable pedestals, self-leveling heads, deck joist adapters, and 16th inch rubber shims. In a situation where you don't have much clearance between the door threshold and the top of the roof membrane, you'll want to start by using our 1/4 inch stackable rubber pedestals. They can be stacked on one another up to 1.25 inches tall. Once your pedestals are stacked to the right height, place your 2x4 in between the spacer tabs on top of the pedestal. You can use our 16th inch rubber shims to stack on top for smaller height adjustments, or tear off one corner if you just need one side raised up. Our adjustable pedestals start at 1.25 inches tall. Place a self-leveling head on top of the pedestal and snap it into place. Then take our deck joist adapter and place it into the holes on top of the pedestal. Place your 2x4 on top of the pedestal head. As you place weight on it, it will self-adjust and level to the pitch of the roof, up to a 7% slope. Place a screw through the holes in the deck joist adapter head to fix the 2x4 to the top of the pedestal. Take the 3/16 inch gap spacers that were provided, and once you've put your board on the pedestal, you'll be able to place the gap spacers into the holes just on the opposite side of the board. This will lock the board into place and keep it from moving. Place your pedestals no more than 24 inches apart on center, and continue to build your deck frame just as you would as if it were on posts. If you have any questions, we'd love to help. Call us at 616-308-6309 or visit us on the web at skydeckusa.com. Thanks for watching.